Alright, welcome to the next review in this little series, and today we're going to be reviewing another set. It's called Desert Lightning. It has 3 minifigures, and we're going to take a look at those minifigures, starting with this guy. Now this guy is a Vermilion Soldier. He's got an orange helmet thing, it's double-sided face, and I think he looks nice. He's got this weapon, I don't know why it's red, it should be orange, not red. Get your shit straight, Lego. Alright, it's that minifigure out of the way. Look at the next minifigure. It's the most boring ass minifigure I've seen out of all these sets, but he's got some nice printing. Very detailed, I will say that. And a helmet, yeah, it's just like that figure from the first review, except he doesn't have a chest plate. And yeah, that's about it. For this one, he's got he's blue, he's got some weird symbol on his chest. I have no idea what that means, but I think he's from a theme called Ninjago. He's like a ninja or something. I don't know his name. I think it's like Zane or something, dude. I don't know their names. But there's double-sided face. It looks like, yeah, really nice printing on this. I love the colors. But it's one of these time blade things. It's blue, just to match him. I don't know why the red guy had a green time blade. It didn't match his color. It doesn't make any sense, but oh well. Those are minifigures out of the way. And now let's get on to the things. So, sorry if I sound like I'm not putting any effort into this, but as you know, I'm only doing this reviews. Come on, man. I don't enjoy doing this. Yeah. So yeah, here's a bike. Oh, yeah. Nice printing on the side. Actually, it's stickers, but yeah. I really like these blade pieces. They stick out too far though. Just doesn't really look right to me. And the guy, he stands up inside there. Yeah, just like that. And he can drive around. Track doesn't really work that well, but it's what can you say? Here's the main star of the set. It's a bike for this blue guy. I don't know his name, but yeah, got some nice stickerage on the side, and trans blue pieces, really nice. Except this yellow piece under here, it just bothers me, man. Just bothers me, just seeing that stick out. It should have been gray, like these pieces. Like, really, like, why do you just put random colored stuff in there? I don't understand stuff. Yeah, these blades flip out. It doesn't really look right, but there's still more stickers under there. And it looks like it could fly now, but it can't. I mean, it could. I could throw it and break it, but I really don't want to do that. This is a nice. It's nice, man. I don't want to break this. It's nice, okay. But yeah, at the front here we got some of the stud shooters. I hate these things. They go everywhere, especially the dual ones. But I miss the flick fires. Too bad they stopped doing them. But got these pieces of crap now. The handlebars are right here. You could sit a minifigure down in there. Sit the blue guy down and make him sit down. Just like that. And yeah, I could roll off. Oh. Sorry about that. Yeah, you could roll off the table and die, but That'd be fun. Yeah, it's about it for this review. Like, oh yeah, the box, can't forget that. Just move this out of the way. The box has some nice designs on it. So this, yeah, there's a set number. Yeah, I really like these. Now here's the minifigures. Yeah, there's the blue guy. Don't know his name. Don't think I ever will, but yeah, he looks nice. Back includes all the play features, but yeah, that's about it. This is another one of these crap reviews. I ain't putting any effort into these, man. I just want views.